Hello, this is Valerie from my Scrap Chick, and today I'm putting together the Tropical Lemonade card. And this is a shape card that has a top fold, and the design does come with an envelope, so you'll be able to tuck it in and mail it. And this will be a fun one for a lot of different occasions. And it does include several different greetings. It even includes happy birthday and thank you, just for the standard things. But anyway, okay. So we have the card base, and this is the shape that we're going to be working with and layering all of our pieces onto here, and then that's going to get glued onto that card front. Okay, and so we'll start with this, and the first thing we want to add is this cutout shape. And whoops, yeah, I'm going to overdo it with the glue here on these thin lines. But these needle tip glue bottles are just wonderful for this. And I'll just line that up there. And what's nice is that this little bit of a line and frame here makes it easy to line up and put these two pieces in, which is the lemonade and then the top of the glass. And this is a freebie for 1 week. And this is in June. We're going to be doing freebies every week during the months of June and July 2024. And that lines up right inside there. And then we're going to add the straw. And I put this here so that it makes it really easy to know where to place the straw. And then the lemon slice. And this is the larger lemon. What I tried to do on the lemon was to try and get 3 colors of yellow that really will accentuate the outer peel, and then the pulp and the inside. Oh, we want to add this first before we add those. And that'll line up on there. And what I was saying with the 3 colors of the yellow, if you can have a darker yellow, a medium yellow, and then cutting out 3 of the pieces that get inserted here in a lighter yellow, just gives it a little more definition. That definition doesn't show up too well in the video, but it makes it gives it a nice touch. And those line up right in there. Okay, and then I'm going to add that to the top here. And then I will add this. I'm going to add the tropical flower last because we've got one more lining that's going to go on here once I get the rest of these things on. I'm going to add the ice cubes. They'll be kind of floating around there. And I do have, so like I said, several greetings for the front, you know, to be adding. So you're going to want to make sure that the other slice of lemon and the ice cube aren't going to be under this. But if you decide to go without this, it would still work. And what I do is just kind of fill up the center more, you know, like you could put the lemon more up here instead of down further. Okay. If you just don't want to add a greeting on the front, make it more of a note card. And with this, I'm going to do the same thing where I've got a lighter colored yellow slice to add in there. Okay, so my greeting is going to go like this. So I want it's okay if it covers up a little bit of the lemon, but I like most of it to show. Okay, and then we'll put this across the middle. And I like to do it at a little bit of an angle. The one thing you want to make sure too, because this is going to fit in that envelope, we are making sure that nothing hangs over, so you wouldn't want to get this too far off to one side or the other. You want to make sure it's still going to fit in that envelope. That's why it might be a nice idea to do the envelope first, so you've got that guide. And then we'll put this layer. Oh, I should have actually done that part before I added the greeting. Whoops. I'll cover up my mistake there. Oop. And then make sure I cover up where I pulled this off. There we go. You're the zest. Okay, and now we'll put this lemon blossom together, and that'll go on the top piece up here. Put on the center. And I'm going to add this first. I kind of like to take this, there's one wonky little blossom, and I like to put it between these two. So I'll do that, and then I'll add a little more glue. And this time I'm going to keep the glue off of this upper part because that's going to hang off a little bit. Give it a nice placement. Okay, so the front of this is done, and now we're just going to glue it to the card base. And here we don't want to put any glue on this upper piece, just along here. Yeah, do it this way. Turn that over and make sure it's all lined up. Oops. And there you have it, and it's all done. So those are going to go together pretty quickly, and I hope you enjoy. Be sure to check it out on the website, and like I said, it's free for this week only. Thank you. Enjoy.